Take your pressure washing performance to new heights with the 9-foot Skylance from Sunjoe. Skip the ladder and grip the lance to tackle your tallest cleaning tasks with your feet planted safely on solid ground. Designed to work with most pressure washers rated from 1800 to 4000 psi max, Sunjoe's sturdy aluminum Skylance extends your reach up to an additional 9 feet to target gutters, siding, soffits, skylights, and more. Compatible with all Sunjoe Quick Connect spray tips, the 30-degree angled adapter attachment is perfect for removing stubborn roof stains, dirt, mold, and mildew from windows, shingles, and siding, while the 120-degree gutter adapter is ideal for blasting leaves and debris from the gutter tub and downspout with a squeeze of the trigger. Lightweight and perfectly portable at just 5.5 pounds, the Skylance 5-piece accessory kit includes a shoulder strap to minimize strain and maximize comfort, a trigger gun, and high-pressure hose adapter, plus the 120-degree gutter adapter and 30-degree angled adapter attachments. So when grime gets the upper hand, aim high, reach for the sky, and go with Joe, the 9-foot universal pressure washer Skylance from Sunjoe. Get equipped.